So in order to check the Planetary oil, we need to remove that stainless steel ring and open the fuel plug. 2 nuts to open that ring, to remove them. The ring comes down, sometimes harder to get it down, but so Allen wrench open here, remove that nut, and if Planetary is full enough, oil should start coming out, just couple drops. See, it is right in the edge. And if needed to refill, you just keep adding until it starts coming back. Once it starts coming back, means the Planetary has enough oil. So once we added the oil and put the plug in, and then we need to run the mixer for like 10-15 seconds. Run it for 10-15 seconds so the oil gets all over, and then stop the mixer and open the plug and check for if the level is good. Once you open it, you should be able to see oil just starting to come out, just like that. If you wait a couple more seconds, you will see a drop coming down. That means oil is at the correct level. See, drop is coming. It's right in the edge. Okay. If you don't see the oil coming, then that means there is not enough oil in the Planetary. So add a little bit more again, add a little bit more, not too much, like half an ounce or so, and then put the plug in, run the mixer again for 10 seconds, 15, and stop it and check for correct level again. Then put the plug in, tighten it, and assemble the same way back. Put the stainless steel ring and put the 2 screws.